We have exhumed 7 bodies and also collected 54 body parts, which are spread distances away from the graves. So they look like they were spread by excavated and eaten by wild animals. So again, like I mentioned yesterday, they will be subjected to DNA tests and to determine whether they are different individuals or they are related to the remains we found in the graves.
So we are just calling upon the county government and the national government wafike kwa ground, kwa sababu watu wao ambao wako hapa, especially the national government, wanafanya kazi vizuri, lakini mkono wa wale wakubwa, be it the CS na wengine wote wafike hapa. Ni lazima wajitoe na wakuje tuone ni vipi tutamaliza mambo ya religious extremism ndani ya Kilifi.